Oh no. Do you feel like a winner?
Yes.
What are you doing?
Watch this.
You look like a shark. He's like that dog that's too rambunctious to keep in the house.
This is what Julie goes.
Have you had enough?
We are tigers.
Nice hair.
Mighty, mighty tigers. Stop.